In this short video tutorial, I am going to show you how to permanently delete your Cash App account. Now, before you close your account, there are a couple of important things you should do to avoid any issues later. First, make sure your Cash App balance is empty. So if you still have money in your account, transfer it directly to your linked bank account before continuing. You should also cancel any recurring payments or direct deposits connected to your Cash App account, since they won't work once the account is closed. After confirming those things, click on your profile icon in the top right corner to open your account settings. Then scroll down, select Support, then use the search bar to search for Close Account. From the results, click Close Your Cash App Account to open the account closure page. Now, Cash App will explain what happens when you close your account. Your cash tag will be disabled, you won't be able to send or receive payments, and you will be signed out of all devices. The app also knows that some account information and transaction records will still be retained to comply with legal and regulatory requirements. So, if you're ready to continue, all you have to do is click Confirm. Cash App will process your request, and once it's completed, your account will be permanently closed. After that, you can remove the application from your phone if you no longer plan to use it, or create a new account in the future if needed. And that's how you permanently delete your Cash App account on your device. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.